I gave you guys that sheet on Monday that goes through the basics of time, but it's a little bit more in depth on that, a couple more things about that. So first up, we have like a formula when we're doing, when we're telling time. So that formula is, we start with son, las, and then here we're going to have a blank, e, blank, de, la, blank. So this is kind of like a formula. So if you want to think about it like math, this is kind of the guideline that we'd use to actually tell time. So this is just for the numbers 2 through 12. Any time between 2 o'clock and 12 o'clock, this is the formula you're going to use. So what goes here is the hour. And what goes here is the minute. And this is the time of day. So on your note sheet, it says tarde is anytime before 7 o'clock. So a couple of options. So for here, the options are mañana, tarde, or noche. So I would say this is anywhere between 12 and 7. So tarde between 12 and 7, and then mañana anytime before that, noche anytime after that. So, por ejemplo, right now, it is 7:56. 7:56 p.m. So if I want to time in Spanish, I would say son las, and the hour. It's going to go here. Here, let me do it like this. So it's 7:56. So the hour is going to go there. Then the minutes go there. Y 56 de la, and then in this case, noche. So what's going to be tricky about this is when you have something like 56, you're using the letter Y a lot. So son las 7:56 de la mañana. So it is going to seem like you're using that E, the Y a lot, but that's intentional. That's just how we tell time. Now this is just one way. I'm going to put a big or in the center of this. Because also in Spanish, we can also tell time by using minus. So what that looks like, so we have this word in Espanol, word menos, which means minus. So the formula for this is son las blank menos blank de la blank. And what's in these blanks is pretty similar. So if we're subtracting, like if we're going to stick with the time 7:56, if that's what we're sticking, then in order to make it 7:56 where I'm subtracting something, then in this blank here, first blank, I need to add it out. So otherwise, if I say 7 and this is minus, then now I'm going to be making it 6 o'clock, which is true. I'm going to put this as hour plus 1. And this is minutes again, kind of. So it's not going to be this 56. And then this is still time of day. So for the 7 o'clock, if I need to make it hour plus 1, it's going to be ocho. Oh my God, sorry. Sometimes with this computer. Ocho. And then to make it 56, I need to think what's 1 hour, which is 60. How do I get that to 56? And what am I subtracting? Well, that's minus 4. I'm going to put menos cuatro. And time of day super nice is still noche. So how this reads then in Spanish is it is 8 minus 4 at night. So that's definitely different than how we tell time in English, but still something that is important for us to know. So you do need to know how to use both of these. So if it comes up on a test, I may ask you like use minus or something like that. So the key to this is if we've got this clock and this is 12, this is 3, this is 6, and this is 9. What this works for is this part of the clock can use minus. So you're never going to say like, oh, it's son las ocho menos 50. Have to be 7. You're not going to do that. Okay. So hopefully this makes sense at this point now with these two formulas. The one, so we talked about, this is only for the hours 2 through 12. The 1 o'clock one is very similar, which is es la una. And then, so it is 1 o'clock. So then if it's anything past 1 o'clock, you would put e minutes de la blank. And this is really only ever going to be mañana or tarde because those are the only two 1 o'clocks that exist. Now, another important thing is we've got all of these things like y cuarto, y media, and that's how we say it is a quarter. So this would be our quarter. Corto, not cuatro, so pay attention to that spelling here. Cuarto tells us it's quarter past the hour, and media to me kind of sounds like medium, which would be 6 o'clock hour there. So make sure that you guys take a look at that note sheet, study it, take a look at some of the examples, listen to the songs, do the worksheet today, and come to class on Monday with some questions on time. We will go over time again. We'll watch videos. You guys will watch a video here in a second on numbers, and we'll do more time stuff tomorrow. So if you guys have questions, use that note guide on all of your worksheets. Follow the examples in the worksheet I give you today. That will definitely help you guys use these formulas, and you'll be